Hi everyone, I'm Stella. Today we're going to talk about your school life and social life, two important parts of who you are. Let's think about your experiences, your dreams, and what makes your life meaningful. Do you like your current life, including school, work, family, and friends? What are some good or bad things you have experienced? For example, one student said she enjoys spending time with her friends after school, but sometimes feels stressed about exams. Question 2. Describe your ideal life right now. What would it look like? How could you make it happen? One student said her ideal life includes balancing study and hobbies, and she plans to manage her time better to reach that goal. Question 3. What skills do you think are important for a successful future? Why are these skills important? How do you learn or improve them? For example, a boy said communication skills are key, so he practices speaking English every day with classmates. Question 4. Do you prefer working for a company or organization, or having your own business? Why? One student said she likes working with a team at a company because she enjoys collaboration, while another hopes to start a small business one day. If you want to start your own business, what kind would it be? What difficulties do you think you might face? For instance, a student wants to open a cafe but worries about managing money and customers. Question 6. Do you like working alone or with a group? Why? Some students feel they focus better alone, while others enjoy sharing ideas and teamwork. Question 7. What is your top priority in life right now? Are you actively working on it every day? One student said her priority is improving her English, so she studies for an hour every day. Question 8. What do you think helps people succeed in life or their careers? Is it family support, personality, hard work, or something else? For example, a student said hard work and patience helped him succeed in his school projects. Question 9. What personality traits do you think are important for success? What are your own strengths and weaknesses? Please give examples. One student said she is very patient, which helps her in group projects, but she needs to work on being more confident. Question 10. How much money do you think people need each month to live a good life? What kind of life or career do you find interesting or boring? Why? For example, one student said she wants a job that helps others and finds routine office work boring. Each question will help you think about your past, your present, and your future. Take your time to reflect and share your answers in your own words. Remember, understanding yourself is the first step to shaping your best life. See you in the discussion.
Learn irreplaceable English skills beyond AI at Beyond Norm.